Hi Sir Roger Batayan, this is my Module 3, Nilay Letranista. Number 1. Provide a biblical passage that captures your module learning journey. Through, through this module, I gained a deeper understanding of the importance of faith in God, recognizing Him as a source of strength, guidance, and also learn how my beliefs shape my values, decisions, and relationship with others. Number 2. What are the significant learning activities that I have done in the module? I was able to reflect on my faith, express my thoughts clearly, and relate lesson to my personal experiences. Number 3. What are the significant realization or learnings that made an impact on my formation as a Lutheranite in this module? Overall, this module has helped me appreciate my ongoing formation as a Lutheranite, one that encouraged humility, constant learning, and a relationship with God and others. Number 4. How do I feel about my learning experiences and challenges encountered in this module? I feel content and proud of my effort. Completing this module gave me a sense of spiritual fulfillment and personal growth. Number 5. What were the challenges or difficulties that I have encountered in finishing my silo task? One of the main challenges was staying focused and ensuring that my reflections were both and authentic alignment with the objectives of the module. That's all. Thank you.